Hey y'all, we jumping right into this tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by putting some heat protectant on the hair just to protect it from the heat. And I'm gonna get some got2b glue, clips, crimps, and also a pressing comb. So as you see, I'm just jumping right in using some crimp curlers. I'm just going in, and every time I place the crimp down, I'm lifting the hair up as well so we can get the nice crimp. But what you do to get that nice crimp, to make sure it stays, you're going to spray some got2b glue onto the hair, then you're going to press the crimp down. So once you do that, that's how it stay like that, because if you do it without the got2b glue, it doesn't come out as, like, I would say, together and crisp. It will be like more like free and flowy, unless you want it like that. I really wanted to go for that real crimp mermaid looks. I also got this unit by MakingMichelle. Shout out to her. She sent me this beautiful yellow lace front wig. It's actually 30 inches. She custom made it for me, and let me tell you, it's gorgeous. The construction on this is amazing, and it has lasted me a very long time. So shout out to her. I'll make sure I tag her below so you guys can see. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so you see I'm getting closer to the top, so you want to go in with a wax stick or some mousse, and you're going to lay your flat iron on it or a pressing comb to get it flat as possible. And if you ain't liked and subscribed, like, what are you doing? Like, seriously, what is y'all doing if you haven't liked and subscribed? And I just want to say, if you're watching the video this far, thank you so much, and I love you guys for supporting. Okay y'all, so baby girl is finishing up now. I'm really excited how this look came out. So tell me what y'all think. Make sure y'all comment below. I'm gonna put some pictures right here. Bam. So I really hope you guys really enjoy. So make sure you like, subscribe, share. Love you. Bye.